guys, we have found my toy from 5 years ago. It is extremely loud. Can you hear it? And my sister takes off her hands.
Oh no, okay.
She's going to experience horrible.
How can you ask your customers?
Well, it works this way. Customers?
Course.
Really? Okay, put it down, Viewers. It's a beautiful sound. Bad lighting right now. It's glitching out.
I broke it.
What is wrong with this thing?
I don't know what's wrong with you.
What? The aliens have connected with us.
What are they saying?
Wait, what happens if I do this? Can you hold it? Ha! Stop. So, what if you do this? So, this turns into a dinosaur. So, if you flip it up, and then ow. Good.
Just by
It makes a
hitting.
weirder noise. This is even... I mean, what is this? What the heck?